Hello everyone, welcome to 4DDiG. Have you ever encountered the trouble of forgetting the password of an important account? Don't worry, today we will share an effective password reset methods to help you quickly regain account access permissions. If you're greeted with this message that your password is incorrect and you have no way to reset it, we need to make an amendment to the Ease of Access button in the bottom right corner, which will end up giving us a command prompt window. So let's restart computer to get into the automatic repair mode. You must turn on and off the machine twice repeatedly to start repair mode. When you see the Windows icon starting to load, power off the computer. On the third boot, it will then go ahead into automatic repair mode. Then you want to go down to Troubleshoots, select Advanced Options again, and they can see the command prompt window. From here, follow my step. We'll change to the C directory, then type cd space Windows. Then type cd space System32. After hit enter, type rename the utilman.exe file. We're going to change that to old. We're going to copy chem.exe space utilman.exe. When you've done that, type exit to close command prompt. Click continue. Select the Ease of Access icon. It will load the command prompt. When you're in command prompt now, type cd backslash. Type in netuser. Then type in net space user space laptop space star. This will prompt you for a new password for the account. Finally, you can reset it or just leave it blank. Exit out of command prompt now. If you leave it blank, just hit enter. Right now, you are successfully go into the Windows. If you are afraid of this problem happening again and losing important files, I strongly recommend that you download 4DDiG in advance. It is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. 4DDiG supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, SD cards, USB, external hard drive, etc. It also supports data recovery from over 1,000 plus different type files, including photos, videos, documents, etc. I hope today's sharing has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.